action.
So here we are at the Vipassana grounds, and we're standing in front of a dam that was here already, fortunately. So the inlet pipe comes from this small pond here, and it's a 4-inch pipe that goes along here, as you can see. And all we did was connect to the 4-inch pipe with our 1 1/4-inch drive line, which if you follow it along 40 feet further down, it ends up at the ram pump, which is operating at the moment, just down here. So we'll follow the drive line to see the ram pump. Here, I'll hold this up.
Thanks. Okay. Now, what are these other pipes here that we can see the green one?
Well, these must have been remaining from the other people that were doing something. Anyway, we're using part of their system to make this operate. So you can see here we're operating normally with about 10 to 15 pounds per square inch on this gauge. So this outflow continues down the creek, and then a small portion, about 1/8 of it, goes up our output line, which is right here.
Right.
So we'll just follow along that output line really quickly to show you where it ends up on the grounds here, the cleared area.
And when we did a flow measurement at the beginning, we figured we were getting about 9 gallons a minute, right?
Approximately, yeah, it seems like. Now, keep in mind, this is just a jury rig system that we put together in a couple of hours, and that likely the efficiency of it could be increased enormously. Or we could also have multiple ram pumps operating.
Off the same creek?
Well, I think this creek would be not enough. We would have to have a ram pump on another creek.
So which creek is this, just to be clear?
I'm not sure. What is the name of it?
I think this is the north end of Ananda Creek.
It's the creek on the east side of the land.
So here are the two vehicles parked, and there's the pump house. There's the center over there in the distance. Or the
So as you can
meditation
see,
hall.
we have water. We've measured about 1 gallon a minute. It's just a very simple system. You can see it sprays. Woohoo! Got lots of pressure. So it's not very far to the pump house from here. So, you know, we can already get about 1 gallon a minute. I suspect that if we use the other creek, what was the name of the other creek?
Oliver.
Oliver Creek. We could get far more water. Anyway, for our jury rig, this ought to give us a fair example of what we can get. Just as a quick example.
Great.
Look at that. Woohoo! Let's drink some.